doing Villains Tarot deck, the Disney Villains Tarot deck, and has the guidebook in here. I've been putting this off. I've had this, it is August 12th, and I've had this since my birthday, April 4th. So I'm finally doing our unboxing so we can use our Disney Villains Tarot deck. Woo! Are you excited? All right, let's go. I'm just going to try and cut it with my fingernail if I can, because I don't think I have my scissors over here. God forbid I would bring something with me that I prepared for. Actually, I didn't. I just got done with a reading. So I do individual readings. If you're interested, you can contact me at thepsychiccindy@gmail.com or find me on Facebook at The Psychic Cindy. Done. Oh, I love this. I love the I love the pictures, but I love Disney. Come on, who doesn't love Disney? Oh, yeah, I did it right. The box is really nice. It really is. It's got all the bads, guys. The back. And it is a regular Disney, or it is a regular 78 card deck. But the thing is, oh, I love the green. Inside, just like a little marble kind of. I love it because it has pictures. They're colored. So that's one of the things that I really love is when they add color to the guidebook. The Emperor. I love it. So it goes through the major arcana, and then it has the minor arcana, and it does go through each page with each of the individual cards. So that's great. So it is a nice little guidebook. Last page. So it does have all the cards in here, and it's colored. So I love that. You will see. So they were all like flip-floppied out. So there's not like anything around them when you open it up. There was no cellophane around. Oh my gosh, look at. Well, they put it in terribly. So this is how my cards were, unfortunately. But there's no cellophane around them. And this stinks. So I have to bend it back. I'm really anal about my cards. I don't like bend my cards, so that really will drive me crazy. It's the Eight of Cups, 8, 9, and 10 of Cups, probably. Yep, 8, 9, and 10 of Cups that have that. Well, actually, one more at least. The 7 of Cups as well has a little bend to it too. So, the cardstock. I mean, you can so on top of my cards, I don't know if you can see it. So there's some little bit of damage to the like it's been scratched or something. And these really it'll show on the cards, like when I don't know if you can see that, but I'm trying to get it so you can see but they're matte feeling. There's no glossiness. They're pretty. They're okay. They're plain. The cardstock is okay. Obviously, you saw that it will bend and take shape quickly. So far I'm not seeing there's nothing on the edges or anything either. They're pretty plain, I guess. Here's the Fool. We'll just go through them really quick. We'll do the major arcana, and it goes right through how most of them are set up. The Magician. I mean, obviously I love the characters because it's Disney. The High Priestess. The Empress. So funny. The Emperor. We did see that in the book, right? The Hierophant. True Love, which is the lovers. Number 7 is the Chariot. Cruella de Vil. 8, Strength. I can't remember all their names, but whatever. The Hermit, number 9. The Wheel of Fortune. That's fantastic. The Spinning Wheel of Death. Number 10. That's the one that put Sleeping Beauty to sleep, remember? Number 11 is Justice. Oh, what is his name? That's from The Princess and the Frog. Number 12, The Hanged Man. I know some of them, my camera isn't tuning into very well. 13, Death. Number 14, Temperance. Number 18, The Devil. Number 16, The Tower. Get there. Number 17, The Star. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? The Moon. Number 18 is The Moon. Number 19, The Sun. I love this one so much. That's from Moana, right? Yeah. Number 20 is Judgment. See, it's not. There we go. 21, The World. I like that they're matte. I prefer matte cards. These are pretty simple. The back is pretty simple. King of Wands. Queen of Wands. 2 faces of the evil queen. Knight of Wands. It's driving me crazy. It's not. Whatever. Page of Wands. That's weird. I just realized it went king down. I don't know. Ace of Wands. That's fantastic. 2 of Wands. 3 of Wands. 4 of Wands. 5 of Wands. 6 of Wands. 7 of Wands. I love that. Did you see the going into the house cottage, right? 8 of Wands. 9 of Wands. 10 of Wands. So it does the court cards, and then it goes king down to page, and then it goes to the other king of coins, which would also be pentacles. And then it goes 1 through 10 for the suits. Queen of coins. Why isn't it? There we go. Knight of coins. That was from Aristocats, I believe. Page of coins. Simba. I love that one. I can't think of that hyena's name. Ace of coins. Two of coins. Three of coins. Four of coins, aka pentacles, right? Five of coins. That is the elephant graveyard, right? That's where the hyenas were too, I think. Six of coins. Seven of coins. Scar. And the hyenas. Eight of coins. More hyenas. I can't think of his name. Nine of coins. The one that has the goofy eyes and stuff. 10 of coins. Like, he was my favorite. I love Whoopi Goldberg's, but King of Swords, Scar, of course. Queen of Swords. Oh, was that Cinderella's mother? Oh, I hate her. Yes, I do believe it is. Cinderella's evil stepmother. There she is. Knight of Swords. And that is from Cinderella, the cat from Cinderella. I can't think of their names right at the moment. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Ugh. Four of Swords. Scar. Five of Swords. The cat. Six of Swords. Cinderella's my favorite, by the way. Seven of Swords. The glass slipper. Eight of Swords. Scar. Nine of Swords. 10 of Swords. King of Cups. Captain Hook. Ursula. Queen of Cups. I want you to see that one. There we go. Ursula. Gaston, right? Knight of Cups. Page of Cups. That's perfect for him. I can't think of his name. From Captain Hook. From Peter Pan, though. Ace of Cups. I don't think I'd want to drink out of that Ace of Cups or any of these cups. Two of Cups. Three of Cups. Looks like that's poison instead of magic. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. So it's pretty plain on some of these, you know. Seven of Cups. Now we're going into the ones that are more fun. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. So what do I feel about this deck? I mean, it's not too big, right? I have small hands, so I can still shuffle. These that have been, I'm going to have to move these separately because they have been bent. They're not going to shuffle as easily or as well. The other thing is I'll know what they are. So I'll probably do something that I can try and straighten them out. Put books on them or whatever. Put something heavy on it. Let's see if there's a message for us from the divine. I am going to. So they don't shuffle that great because of the mat. It's just not. Let's see. The fluffle shuffle is not as easy. They're obviously still new, so let's see about this kind of shuffling. So I can get my hands around it, which is good. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I have to do this the right way because it'll drive me crazy if I don't. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Whatever. Did I do it right? No, I didn't. I'll have to go back because I'm really anal. I don't read my cards upside down anyway, so it doesn't matter. Unless Spirit tells me to, then I do. But otherwise, I usually don't. Overall, with this deck, I don't have a lot of energy that I'm getting from it. I don't know if it's just because it's a Disney deck or whatever, but I don't know. It's I'd have to play with it. Let's see. What does the collective need to know? What does the collective need to know right now? What does the collective need to know right now? What does the collective need to know? I want that one. This one. This one. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. It's Swords and Cups. So 5 of Cups. I literally just got a song. Don't go wasting your emotions. ABBA, I think it is. So try not to pay attention to the emotions from the past. Really stay focused and stay centered on your present. What's in front of you, right? These are all about spilled cups and not having love, not having what you think you want, right? This talks about the Two of Swords is all about, a lot of times it's distance between the person you're with, and this definitely is a more of a love reading for me. This is, not being on the same page right now. You're not in the same place, the same space. There, you may be at a distance, but this is also like not having all the information. You're not seeing all the answers right now, and you're not supposed to be. So it's being in limbo, kind of at odds maybe with the person that you're with. So you may be in separation as well, but there's some, you're really reminiscing over that pain. The Knight of Swords. That Knight of Swords is it's fast, quick moving energy toward you. So there may be some communication coming in, maybe some things coming in. You know what I just felt with this Two of Swords? It's time for you to reflect and go inward and look at yourself and really like take note of what it is you truly want. If it's not the right, if you're in a relationship, you need some clarity. Maybe you need to remove things from yourself, make yourself feel better, heal, whatever. But it feels like removing things that don't work in the relationship, right? So you work on your stuff and they work on their stuff. The Knight of Swords really makes me feel like that quick energy coming in. And I don't know, there may be, so this is the thing, there may be having a conversation that's much needed, because I got one of those bendy cards and I told you that, but, and all of these were face up, straight up. I didn't have to make them up. This is the 10 of Cups. So the 10 of Cups we know is like that happy family card. And this is one of the things you want in a relationship. It's the family, it's the togetherness, it's the I love yous and have it mean something, right? So this is interesting. There may be some love coming in. Is there anything else we need to know, clarify with this reading for the collective? 7 of Coins. 7 of Coins. This one doesn't show it. This one shows more like, oh, that's interesting way of looking at it, though. If I were to look at it this way, this is allegiance to you. So what I was going to say is I actually felt an apology maybe coming in. So because I really wanted wanted that Knight of Swords clarified, and this is the clarifier, the 7 of Coins. Allegiance is being paid to you. That's literally what I'm feeling. Allegiance is being paid to you, but I also feel like that allegiance is being paid to you, and there may be an I'm sorry in there. But also, like, this is also normally a working, like, not seeing all the fruits of your labor kind of card, but really working on making it so it works. But I definitely feel an allegiance. So if you're in separation right now and you're in your feels about this person and there's a decision that needs to be made on whether or not you want to be in the relationship, it might be coming quick, energy coming toward you, communication energy, and having a conversation with this person. But also you may be receiving an apology or be giving an apology, right? If it's you're the one that's, I mean, probably usually both. There's usually two that are at hand. So making sure that you're able to give an apology as well as receive an apology. So, but it shows me the 10 of Cups. So there may be some happiness in your future. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was an interesting one, right? If you want to book in a reading with me, because I do individual readings, you can email me at thepsychiccindy@gmail.com, or you can go right on Facebook on The Psychic Cindy, and you can actually book a reading with me. You guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Have a great day.